Good afternoon to all my awesome friends and family. I was over checking out Style with Pat today on her channel, and she did Fall Coffee Bar Station 2020. She did such a beautiful job, it got me thinking about doing the same. Except I don't drink coffee, I drink tea. So mine is a Fall Tea Bar Station for 2020. I hope you enjoy what I put together. She had all these beautiful pinks and white in her fall coffee bar station. That's what got me interested in trying to recreate it on my channel. As you can see, mine is in pinks and whites, and there are a little bit of black. I also bought 3 new pieces for this fall tea bar station. These beautiful, so thankful and so blessed pumpkins that I got at Hobby Lobby. I really did enjoy them so much. I just had to have them. Don't they look pretty? Please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. Then I got this beautiful pumpkin that's 3 pumpkins high that lights up at Home Goods. I loved it so much I knew I could use it. Those are the only 3 new things that are in this post. I spent a total of $20 for everything you see here because everything else I already had, and once you've written it off in a video, you don't ever have to count the cost again. So the 3-tier pumpkin was a new piece for $10, and the 2 little white pumpkins were $5 each. Total of $20. Everything else I already owned and had. I hope you enjoy this post. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think of it. I had this black coffee cup or teacup, and it went perfect with my black teapot. I just love it, and it's just perfect for Halloween and for fall. And of course I bought these last summer, the roses in sugar and creamer. And of course I have this little container with my sweetener and my tea ready to go. And of course all the beautiful floral in the background were pieces I already had from past post. The one bunch in the corner was from my granddaughter's wedding, and the other ones I have purchased over the last year. And I thought it turned out really pretty. What do you think? I love a lot of beautiful florals. And then I used the placemats under this too, because it was in pink and they have little silver running through them. I went and got some matches, the wooden matches at Stater Brothers, to light these candles, for they would light up so much better than what it is without them lit. Don't they look pretty? And now I'm going to put them up on the 2-tier tray that I have in this corner vignette that I have put together. And the 3 pumpkin also lights up with a light inside. I thought it looked so romantic. I just couldn't believe how pretty it turned out. I loved how romantic it looked. I just can't wait to do this again next year. I was so happy. When I do my English tea, I think I'm going to do something similar to this in a vignette, because I have a beautiful white tray that I could have put this on. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. I got so impressed by Pat, Style with Pat. She's an awesome channel. If you haven't already been over, please go check her channel out. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy to all of you. Don't forget, my channel is designed for adults interested in gardening, home decor, cooking, cleaning, shopping hauls, DIYs, inspirational talks, or whatever else Grandma comes up with. If you're not already following Grandma, please think about it. And remember this, since you've made it to the very end, kisses and hugs from Grandma Sandy. Thank you so much, all my awesome followers.